Have you ever had a gut feeling about something, or butterflies in your stomach when you were nervous? What if I told you those sensations are more than just figures of speech? Science shows your gut and brain are in constant conversation, and here's what's happening in your stomach could be shaping your mood, your memory, even your risk for anxiety and depression. Today, we're diving deep into the gut-brain connection. And trust me, once you hear this, you'll never look at food the same way again. Your gut has its very own nervous system. It's called the enteric nervous system, and it contains about 500 million neurons. That's more than in your spinal cord. This is why scientists sometimes call the gut our second brain. And here's where it gets interesting. Your gut and brain talk to each other through something called the vagus nerve. It's like a super highway carrying constant messages back and forth. So when you feel stressed and your stomach churns, or when a good meal instantly makes you feel relaxed, that's not your imagination. It's biology. I need to mention your gut microbiome. Inside your digestive system, there are trillions of bacteria living, multiplying, and influencing almost everything about your health. These microbes don't just digest food. They actually produce neurotransmitters, the same brain chemicals that control your mood. For example, about 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is made in your gut. Dopamine, GABA, and other brain messengers are also produced there. So when your gut bacteria are happy and balanced, you're more likely to feel calm, focused, and emotionally stable. But when they're out of balance, because of stress, poor diet, or antibiotics, you might experience brain fog, mood swings, or even anxiety. Every bite you take is feeding not just you, but also the bacteria in your gut. Think of it this way, you're the host of a giant microscopic dinner party, and you decide which guests thrive. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains feed the good bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut introduce more healthy microbes. But too much processed food, sugar, or artificial sweeteners can feed the bad bacteria, which then produce toxins and chemicals linked to inflammation and mood disorders. I am sure you have felt feeling sluggish or irritable after a junk food binge. That's your gut-brain axis reacting in real time. And here's the kicker, it's not just food that affects your gut, your mental state does as well. Stress can actually change the composition of your microbiome, reducing good bacteria and encouraging harmful ones to grow. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress hurts your gut hurts your mood, and around it goes. That's why practices like meditation, exercise, and even deep breathing can improve gut health as much as they improve mental health. So here is what can you do to strengthen your gut-brain connection. Eat for your microbes. Load up on fiber, colorful plants, and fermented foods. Manage stress. Yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk can help. Sleep well. Poor sleep disrupts your microbiome and your mood. Consider probiotics or prebiotics, but choose carefully, and ideally, talk with a professional. If you can try small daily changes, a healthier gut really can mean a healthier mind. So the next time you get a gut feeling, don't ignore it. Your body may literally be speaking to your brain. I hope you found this helpful. Hit that like button, share this video with a friend who loves science and wellness, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how our bodies really work.